Jomo Kenyatta, and I'm being told that I have to return to Amsterdam, which is very crazy because my travel document is something I have used to travel all around, and I've used it for 4 years, and it says I'm accepted to go to any country except Uganda. So I am being told I need to go back to Amsterdam, and I think I know why. And yeah, I talked to the gentleman over there. Over there. And he says I have to go back to Nairobi. I mean, I have to go back to Amsterdam. So I know exactly what is going on here. But yeah. Hello there. So I'm at Nairobi Airport, Jomo Kenyatta, and I'm being told that I have to return to Amsterdam.